Hi, this is the old guy. Let's start this video by comparing the DJI Mini 5 Pro to all its competitors. And to do this, let's use this scale that I built from scraps, inspired by the Sony cameras. Let's be honest, all DJI products released sit somewhere in "this could be interesting." And this goes for the DJI Mini 5 too. And this one is actually in the higher category, just under "take my kidney." Because compared to the competition, the Mini 5 smokes all of them. But where it gets hard is if you already own a DJI Mini 4 Pro, and I own this Mavic 3 Pro 2. For me, it would probably be more like interesting, boring. But let's be honest, when a DJI product comes out, it's hard to resist not letting out all your gas. And it's a pretty good upgrade with a bigger sensor and the possibility to transfer files without turning on the Mini 5 and without even having a battery in it. And for me, the only other upgrade that makes a difference is the low light capabilities. That gets a substantial bump too because of the bigger sensor. And DJI launch prices are crazy too, because unlike Sony, they actually made a totally new product with small upgrades all over, where Sony would bump the prices up 25% while taking out some hardware features and improving the software a bit. The DJI Mini 5 is not a repackaged product at all. It's a brand new product. Nobody can keep up with DJI in this regard. And every time DJI hits the market with a new product in a new category, by the second iteration, they're class leading. And if you don't already own a drone like I do, you should rush out and get the Mini 5. You should probably not sell your kidney, but you could empty the children's piggy bank and pay them back later. It's that good. But for me, as an owner of the Mini 4 and the Mavic 3 Pro, it's a different story. And the bump in image quality between the 4 and the 5 only shows if you're punching into 400% or in low light. You should go watch a guy called Luke Maximo Bell and his review on this Mini 5, where he compares it to the Mini 4. Most other reviewing this Mini 5 are salesmen pushing the product. I will link in the description the comparison between the Mini 5 and the Mini 4 that Luke made. As I've already told you, I own the Mavic 3, and if I need better quality than the Mini 4, I'll use this Mavic 3, especially for photography. But in video between the Mini 4 and the Mini 5, my clients probably won't tell the difference at all. And there's a little catch buying the Mini 5 too. It's actually over 250 grams, and in Europe it's okay because there are tolerances. But you might get into trouble in other countries and get fined. Just a disclaimer. And at the same time, even if the prices are reasonable for new DJI releases, you have to get new accessories. The ones you got from your older drones don't fit, and that's kinda annoying and pretty expensive too. So if you're already a DJI drone owner and it's a new drone you own, you should probably hold on to your gas and keep what you got, get out flying and enjoy yourself. And as I'm telling you, and Luke's review is telling you, the image quality difference is not that huge. But if you don't have a drone and need one, buy from the old guy.